Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Hannah, and if you didn't know, I am going to Europe in July. I'm going for a little over 2 weeks, and I am struggling with deciding what to bring. I have done some shopping here and there, but I have a list of things that I'm thinking about buying for Europe, and I thought we could just go through that list together. And you can help shop with me, and also let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you think I should purchase this, if you think this would be good for Europe, or you think I could live without it. I just need your help because I am a little bit stressed. I feel like that's a long time to go to Europe, and the itinerary of the trip is we're going to be biking a lot. We're going to be pretty much biking all the time, but apparently, so my aunt and uncle and my cousins have gone there for the past 3 years, and now this year my entire mom's side is gonna go. So they know exactly like what we're gonna be doing while we're there, but people don't tend to wear workout clothes. They're more into like skirts and just comfy but casual, nicer looking outfits, even to bike around in, because you're biking to a destination and then you're gonna like explore and things like that. So you don't wanna be in like workout clothes. You wanna look a little bit more put together. So I'm trying to find things that look put together, feel like a little bit of a European vibe, and will still be comfortable for biking, for doing all activities, still comfy, but still look chic and elegant. So I thought we could just look through everything that I'm thinking about getting together, and you guys can help me decide what to buy or not. So first I'm gonna go through the things that I've already purchased that I feel like will be really nice for Europe. The first thing that I went ahead and purchased is this Gap X Doen, their collaboration that they did. This black mini dress. This was my favorite thing out of the collaboration, and it sold out right away. Pretty much all the whole collection sold out right away, but they restocked recently, and I just think this is such an easy dress for Europe, and honestly for the summertime. I'm not really just shopping for Europe, I'm shopping to elevate also my summer closet, things that yes would be perfect for Europe but also perfect every summer, and I'll just live in pieces that are kind of more timeless. And I just feel like this is a dress that I will live in every single summer season. It just looks super chic, super easy to throw on, super comfortable, and I feel like this I could easily bike in with a pair of sandals and be perfectly fine. So this is something I did purchase. I'm waiting for it to come in. I'm also gonna do a like pack with me or just outfit planning for Europe when all my stuff comes in, and we can kind of plan outfits and things what I'm gonna wanna wear. And I kind of wanna do like a packing like log of photos of outfits that I've already put together, so I'm not like thinking about outfits when I get there. I can just like relax when I'm getting dressed every single day. So that I have purchased. Another thing that I have purchased are these pants, and I have been looking for relaxed cargo pants for the longest time, and I had an inspo photo that I was just like obsessed with. I'll put it here. And I did some investigating, and I found out where they were from, and they were definitely more expensive than what I wanted to spend, but sometimes you have to invest in higher quality pieces and something that might be a little bit more pricey for something that is just gonna be a capsule piece in your wardrobe. Like these pants I'm gonna have year after year. They're a perfect pair of pants for the summertime, and I feel like I'm never gonna get sick of them. So I did get these, and I also think these are gonna be perfect for the trip, because a lot of the time for dinner and things like that, like my cousin was like, people wear white pants, you know, a top and a sweater over top, because sometimes it gets a little bit chilly. So I feel like I'm gonna live in these and just wear them all the time. So I'm very excited about that purchase. Another thing that I purchased, I don't love shopping at Zara a lot just because of the you know, sustainability and how they treat their workers. I learned a lot about factories and things like that in school. I went to school for fashion marketing, and that was a huge course that we took. So I don't really love shopping there, but sometimes I just find a piece and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna bite the bullet and shop and get it, because I try my best majority of the time to find things from other places. But sometimes, you know, you find a piece and it's a really affordable piece and you just know you'll live in it. And this was kind of this piece. I got it from Zara Home. I love Zara Home. I haven't really purchased anything from there because, like I said, I don't love shopping at Zara that much. But this dress, I actually saw it on Lily Sisto, I think that's how you pronounce her last name, on TikTok, and she's in Europe right now. And it just looked like the perfect, comfy, easy, white cotton dress. Like, it just looked ideal for my trip to Europe. And I could wear this all day. I could wear this to dinner with like a little sweater over top of it, and it will just be perfect. So I did purchase this dress, and it's just simple white, very easy, but that's kind of my idea of what I'm thinking when I'm picking clothes to pack for Europe. Just something very breezy, chic, and comfortable. Those are like my 3 words like that I'm thinking, because it's supposed to be 70s during the day and I think high 60s at night, which is perfect weather. So I feel like something like that would be incredible. So that's all the things that I have currently purchased for my trip. But here are the things now that I'm thinking about buying. This dress is like, I am 99% sure I'm purchasing it, but you know, let me know your thoughts too. But I actually saw this on someone on TikTok. I love TikTok. I feel like I find so many new brands and just pieces through my explore feed, or my feed on TikTok or whatever, my For You page. I think that's what it's called. But I just think this dress is perfect. It's breathable, it looks so comfy, it's chic. I could definitely bike in this, because my cousin says a lot of people bike in like just comfy, flowy dresses and skirts and things like that. So I just feel like this is perfect. Now my dilemma with this dress is, not dilemma, but deciding what color to get. Because true me would be like, get the cream, because that's me. I'm a neutral kind of girl, but fun me wants to maybe get the red. But I just don't know, like that is a lot of red coming at me in a full dress. So I think I might lean towards the cream, just because I feel like this dress will again be timeless. I can wear it every single year. These kind of dresses you don't get sick of, they don't get old. So I think I'm gonna purchase this, because it's also a really great price. Like, this entire brand is a really great brand. Highly recommend checking them out, Modern Citizen. I just love this dress. I think it's so pretty. I love the ruching. I love the little band. I love the little button, or I think it's a button detailing at the top. So beautiful. Okay, the next thing that I've actually mentioned so many times on my channel, so you know what, I should probably just purchase it by now, is this black little tie skirt. Again, I think this will be so nice for Europe and also just the summer. I mean, I've mentioned this skirt before I even knew I was going to Europe on my channel, so I just generally love it so much. And I think this with a basic like tee or tank or something like that, super easy with a throw-on sweater and some sandals, would be just like a go-to in Europe. I'm really trying to think minimal, just easy outfits, because I feel like that's where you just can never go wrong with when you're on vacation. So I absolutely love this, and I'm definitely thinking about purchasing it. Okay, these I'm on the fence. I love the idea of these, but I just don't know if I would like them on me. But they're these, I want to say like eyelet, or is that the pattern? But this eyelet, like scallop detailing shorts by Doen, like I absolutely love these, and I feel like they would be really comfortable and things like that. But I just don't know if I would actually love them on me. I struggle with shorts. I'm not a big shorts person. I'd rather wear a skirt, jeans, or something like, or a dress than a pair of shorts, just because they never fit me right. But these, I just love the pattern. Like, I love this detail at the minute. and just feel like they would be something to elevate my outfits in Europe, but still keeping it pretty simple. So I'm really thinking about these. And then to go with it, but also just to go with anything, are these tops from Madewell. And they remind me a lot of the Doen tops that I'm obsessed with, but for a lot cheaper. I actually tried this on in Madewell, and they're very similar to the Doen one, and I actually tried on the Doen one as well, so I know how they both are supposed to fit or feel, and I really, really love them. I actually just had a client order 2 of these for the summertime. I worked with her on her closet, and I thought these would be perfect for her. But yeah, I'm thinking about these for the summertime. I mean, you really just can't go wrong with just like a flowy button-down shirt like that. And I love like just how airy they are. I feel like they'll go with so many things, and I feel like they would be really cute with those shorts. Or if not those shorts, just a pair of linen shorts that I'm still on the hunt for. I feel like I have one in here that I'm gonna show you. But shorts are just so hard for me, but I feel like they would be so good for biking around and things like that. I wouldn't get too hot, but it would be easier to bike in than like a skirt or a dress. This top I've been wanting forever, and I might just bite the bullet on them and purchase it. I don't know. Let me know if you know of a top that's very similar but maybe a little bit cheaper, because that's the only thing that's like stopping me from purchasing this, is that it's a white tee. Yes, it has like the neckline that's a little bit different, the 3/4 length sleeves, so it's a little bit more elevated than a white tee, but $105 just seems like so much for this. But also I've seen it on so many people, and it's just something that I know if I have it, I will wear it all the time, and it will be a staple in my wardrobe. So I'm like, is it worth that? Do you know what I mean? Because I don't mind investing in nicer quality pieces if I'm gonna wear it all the time and there's nothing else out there that I've seen. Like I don't know. So let me know. Let me know if you know of a tee that's very similar to that, have the same, I love the neckline on it, and I love the 3/4 length sleeves. So if you have a tee that's very similar, that just might be a little bit cheaper, please leave it in the comments down below. Another thing that I'm thinking about getting is just some basic teaks. Now, I know I've been saying and loving more elevated sandals because I feel like they just do something to an outfit, and it's an easy way to elevate a simple outfit. But in this case, I feel like having just a simple sandal for biking that I know will be comfortable and I could just wear all the time will be really nice for Europe. And also, I live in sandals like this as well, just your regular flip-flop, and I love it in this cream. I actually was looking at sandals on A. Emery that had the cream, but they're sold out. Like, I can't find them anywhere, so I feel like this is a good alternative, and they're cheaper too. But I really like this color. This is in the linen color, and I just love the cream. I feel like that's definitely what I'm missing in a flip-flop. Like, I have my black flip-flops. Do I have a pair of brown? But I feel like I don't really wear outfits that I need a brown sandal. I feel like I could get away with either like a black or a cream. Like, I feel like those would be good for anything that I wear. So I'm really thinking of getting these in the linen color. I just feel like it will be the perfect cream color for some of my outfits in Europe, but also the rest of the summer. Now, this necklace I also found on TikTok, and I love the Lee Studios little beaded necklace. I think that can instantly, I keep saying elevated, but I don't know another word to use, but I feel like necklaces are such a good accessory to add to an outfit, and I love the Lee Studios beaded necklaces. And I found this one, and this one's way cheaper than the Lee Studios ones, and I love the red. I've been wanting to add more color in my wardrobe, and I feel like this is such an easy way to add a bit of color, but in a more subtle way. And I feel like with some dresses or just with a plain like tee like I just showed, just having that beaded necklace like will definitely help, I feel like, to elevate my outfits for Europe, but still keeping it pretty simple and also adding in an element of color. So I'm definitely also thinking about this necklace, and I just I just can't tell if I want the 16-inch or 18-inch or to even get it. I don't know. Okay, again, linen shorts. Here are another pair from Joann, and I like how simple they are. I like that it seems like they have an elastic waistband instead of like a zipper, because sometimes a tapered or a tailored short makes it look like a bubble, and I feel like sometimes that can be really unflattering on my body type. So I like that this is an elastic, so it's just plain, it just lays flat on the body, very flowy. So I'm thinking about these because I just feel like I need a pair of shorts. Like I feel like I need to bring 1 or 2 pairs of shorts with me, and I really don't have shorts in my wardrobe. That is something that I struggle with so much, like I said, and I just struggle with it so much that I just don't even purchase them. Okay, another thing, I've shared that I'm really into like the cropped capri look. I think you either love the capri look or you hate it. But I found these are on Massimo Dutti of linen flared pants, like trousers, and I love these. They come in a black and an olive green, and I feel like an olive green could be so beautiful with like a white tee or something like that. I'm trying to bring more color to Europe because I think that would be really fun, but I just always stick to my neutrals. It's so hard, but I love this olive green in this pant. I think it's really pretty. It still has that like nature color palette, the neutral color palette kind of, just with a little bit of an emphasis of like a green. But then I love the black. Like I feel like black would just go with more of my wardrobe. So I kind of just want to get the black, but I do love how cropped these are, how they give a little flare, but they're more suited for summer, which I really love, than just like your black, you know, more trouser kind of heavier material that's more suited for fall and winter. I love these for summer. So I'm thinking about these as well. And then the last thing I'm thinking of is this tank from Massimo Dutti as well. I don't want to purchase a tank because I want to find those tanks from TJ Maxx that I can't stop talking about it, and I'm so sorry. I am just obsessed with them. If you haven't been following my channel, I love these tanks from TJ Maxx. My sister got it in Florida, and when I was in Florida, I wore them every single day, and they are just the perfect tank tops for the summer. The thickness, the quality, the scoop neck, everything about them I'm in love with, but I cannot find them. I've been to 4 TJ Maxx's and I cannot find them anywhere. So now I'm like at the point, did they stop selling them, and should I just, you know, move on and purchase a tank or whatever? So I saw this one and it seems very similar to the other tank, but it's just so much more expensive. Like, it's in a pack of 3, the TJ Maxx one's pack of 3 for $12, and you get a white, gray, and black, so like you're good to go. And this one's one white tank for $39. And I'm sure the TJ Maxx one is better quality because that's how good it is. So unsure about the white tank, but that's everything that I am currently looking at to purchase for Europe, and also just to add to my summer wardrobe. Definitely let me know, please comment. Let me know in the comments down below what you think I should purchase, what you think would be good for my Europe trip. Remember, a lot of biking, really a lot of biking. We're biking pretty much every single day. And I'm not talking about little bike rides, I'm talking about like 5-mile plus bike rides. So definitely let me know, please, because I am struggling here, and it's coming close to when I leave, and it's scaring me a little bit, and I just want to have everything in and plan my outfits and get all sorted so I'm not stressed when I leave for the trip, because I leave July 5th. So just please let me know in the comments down below what you think I should get, what you think I should purchase, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!